Guess the car I found today, guys. This beautiful machine single-handedly started the pillarless hardtop revolution in America and features the legendary engine that built hot rod culture. Now let's ride on. We are talking about the gorgeous 1952 Ford Crestline Victoria. Under this massive hood sits the iconic 239 cubic inch Flathead V8, delivering a smooth 110 horsepower in a graceful linear building of mechanical momentum. Taking this cruiser out gives you about 12 to 16 miles per gallon, but it pays you back in pure rolling comfort on a soft floating 115-inch wheelbase. Without modern power steering, handling requires real muscle at low speeds, but it lightens up beautifully at cruising speed. Just make sure to plan your stops ahead of time because the period correct 4-wheel drum brakes demand respect compared to modern discs. Slide inside and dropping all side windows gives you a completely wide open sweeping view with zero blind spot from deeply cushioned bench seats. There are no screens or voice controls to distract you from the pure refined mechanical noise. For safety, it is pure Detroit steel keeping you secured. No automated braking here, just a rock-solid chassis. In today's collector market, a well-restored example holds an average value between $15,000 and $25,000, making it a highly stable investment that only appreciates from here. The verdict? The pros are undeniably its show-stopping aesthetics and Flathead V8 soul, while the cons come down to manual steering and drum brakes. It is tailor-made for collectors who love classic driving theater. If you want an American icon that looks like $1 million, the Crestline Victoria gets an absolute recommendation.